Hello and welcome to Design Food Trucks. Today we have another exciting project leaving us. This one is of course going to be here in Denver, and it's going to make gourmet sandwiches. It is 18 foot long and it has a few tricks up its sleeve. Let's look outside and see its exterior and then go inside. Of course, on the outside what catches your eye would be the French themed wrap on the outside. Very beautiful, if I may say so. Very tasteful. Ties all the sandwich theme together. That of course is the awning for the 5-foot window, self-closing obviously as is required by code. The 2 exterior lights. You can also see the air conditioner on top. The air conditioner also has a heat pump. That is how you would fill water into the fresh water tank. That is how you drain water from the grey water tank. On the back you would see the RV door, as we call it. Basically the code does not allow the kind of the roll-up shutter, the roll-up door, that is not up to code, which is why we have to do this. I apologize for the road noise. The truck is parked for delivery, so that is how we would drain the black water tank. This truck has a bathroom inside, so that's how we would drain it. Of course, that's the shore power connection. The generator box, of course, which is, as you can see, lockable. It opens up and exposes the generator. That obviously is how that's actually where the propane tank is. We call them underbelly tanks. We don't like them hanging out in the back of the truck. It's a fire risk in case if it's rear-ended or whatever. Now let's go inside and see its many features. This truck, as with others that we build, has 2 doors. One in the back, one in the front. Code requires that any space a human occupies must have a ingress and an egress. This is the ingress, of course. Right in front is the refrigerator. And right here is a range, and the range has a griddle and 2 burners. And the oven, of course, which is why it's a range. The hood, as you can see, is slightly oversized. This is because we believe that this customer might add more equipment as they go about their business. Their menu might change. Maybe they will want soups or something else, which is why we left a little bit of space here and a larger hood. Talking about sandwiches, that's what they're going to be making the sandwiches on. This is a sandwich prep table, a refrigerated sandwich prep table. A freezer right there. The freezer is actually resting on a generator box. So you saw the door on the outside. This is the generator box for it. Right there is a little freshwater tank. And what it is for is the toilet. This truck has a restroom inside for the customer's personal use, not really open to the public, but it is there. Now, you cannot have, obviously the other plumbing is on this side, so you cannot have these connecting together. What I mean is, so the bathroom, the water from the bathroom cannot at any point interact with the water for the hand washing or bear washing, which is why it has completely different systems, different setups. So fresh water tank for the bathroom. There's a little water heater behind it. Of course, it has its own water pump. And right there is the bathroom. Toilet, hand wash sink. Of course, hand wash sink also has hot water. This is the pull tab for the fire extinguisher. On this side you would see a larger water heater, and this is required because of the area where this truck is going to be operating in. Food trucks, as you know, are regulated by county code, at least for now. The wiring you would see, just like with all our trucks, every piece of equipment has its own breaker. They're all home run, so to speak. Water heater, mop sink, hand wash sink, 3 compartment sink, and the service window. The service window, as always, is self-closing. So you lift up, pass your product, and it closes by itself. The controller for the air conditioner, which is right here. Lights, of course. This truck has an all stainless construction, and inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood. The floor is aluminum diamond plate, and the addition of the insulation makes it a very comfortable place to work in. If you have any questions, or if you would like a food truck like this built for yourself, please do contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com, or our phone number 720-209-2653. Thank you. Have a nice day.